Instructional Design and Delivery, Rubric Number 2. Instructional Design and Delivery, Rubric 2, Module 2C, Domain 6, Critical Thinking and Problem Solving. Throughout the design and delivery of the course content, the learning activities and the student assessments, critical thinking and problem solving should be implemented. Students should engage in multiple opportunities to explain and expand their thinking. Both assignment examples here are models of critical thinking skills being used throughout a course. Students should be prompted via learning activities and assignments to discuss their own knowledge and ways of thinking about a course's content. The first example is having students review content on their own and then answer a series of discovery-based questions prior to receiving instruction from the teacher. The second example is a reflection assignment that requires a student to show their cumulative learning in a course as well as reflect on their knowledge, skills, and abilities aligned to the content. The opportunities for critical thinking should be integrated throughout the course's lessons, assignments, and assessments. Things to look for when determining if a course only meets the baseline requirements. The course may have repetitive assignments that use mostly low levels of domain knowledge or limited problem and case scenarios to help engage the learners with the content knowledge. We may also see limited questioning or participation from the instructor in lecture materials or discussion boards that solicit higher thought from students. Review questions. It is considered a best practice of instructional design and delivery for students to engage in critical thinking and problem-solving activities when learning a content. The correct answer is true. What would be considered an appropriate use of critical thinking skills in designing a course? The correct answer is C. A case study in which the students analyze content and select the best solution for the situation presented. Problem scenario. After reviewing the content for a course, you see limited activities and mostly review quizzes from the readings for module content. You open several of the quizzes and you feel that the questions are all from low level of recall and acquisition. You also notice that most frequently the answer is A and all question types are multiple choice. Upon exiting the quiz, you search for a written assessment or collaborative activity and find none. Using the rubric section below, rank this best practice problem scenario. The correct answer is baseline. This course provided limited activities to engage students in critical thinking and/or problem solving. Using Level 1 quizzes on basic content information is not an effective best practice to encourage critical thinking and deepened content knowledge. Module 2C Summary, Domain 6. Students should be consistently challenged to provoke critical thought and problem solving.